Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token, big news coming up, as well as some of the announcements that are going to make things very tricky. So we actually have some awesome news and kind of some bad news that I will talk about in today's video about Shiba Inu token. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, please make sure, this is very important, make sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video I'll make a price analysis and also tell the price prediction for the Shiba Inu token, as we're currently trading at the 75.6.7. It's going up and down, but 75 is around here today. You can see that there is not much going on. You can see that we are basically going sideways, but we actually have some interesting announcements coming up with the Shiba Inu token that will blow your mind, as well as making the price pump very hard in the next couple of weeks. We will need to wait a little bit more, but it will happen very soon. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, make sure to watch this video till the end, and also make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the big news coming up on Shiba Inu token. There wasn't many things going on in the previous couple of days, but today we have some special announcements and price predictions that I want to share with you guys. So first off, let's go right here on the Reddit. It's kind of interesting post and I want to talk about it for a bit, because in the long term as well as the short term, this could make the Shiba Inu price skyrocket, and it could actually even kill 1 or maybe 2-0 when this happens. And it is definitely going to happen. Of course, I'm talking about the Webull listing that is now in beta testing. So the countdown is on, SHIB is now in beta testing. Webull actually posted this and we are waiting for the Shiba Inu release on the Webull. When this happens, some of the huge corporations as well as the investors can actually invest in Shiba Inu token, and that way we can make such a great money, because the price catalyst is there finally after some waiting, and then price pump is going to be very crazy. So this is why I'm hoping for the Webull listing to happen very soon, together with the Coinbase listing, where also the hedge funds and the big firms can actually trade Shiba Inu token. Volume is not that great. I'm going to talk about it in today's video as well. We are on 300 million, but we have seen 1 billion, 1.23 billions easily in 24 hours. So this is why the volume is so low, and you can see we are basically going sideways. So it was kind of a boring day today price wise, but we have some nice announcements. And here's the Reddit post, same guy as me, same guy that is thinking just as me. So glad I bought more SHIB today. Remember what Webull did to the Cardano? It's about to blow up. Swapped all of my Kishu, Hawk, and even half of my HODGE for SHIB today. I'm not the type who says how many I have, but a really good amount, and it'll pay off. These prices are amazing. Webull is pretty much the Asian Robinhood. I would definitely agree with that. Webull has such a great community and is extremely popular that when the Webull listing happens, some things will definitely change, and price action is going to be crazy that day, as well as some of the days before that, of course. And it's going to expose so many newbies and stockholders and regular people to our token. It's going to be huge for us. I agree 100%. And yeah, we have an official announcement by the Webull. It will happen definitely, but we need to wait for that beta testing. It's still going on, and we are waiting for that huge, really huge price catalyst. I'm gonna say it, this is going to be very big. Also, some announcements from the SHIB team. Actually, shibaswap's return distribution process has finished. We apologize for the delay and want to thank the shibarmy for the patience during this week. So actually, rewards distribution actually stopped because some of I would say private personal problems for some of the people in the SHIB team occurred, and they actually couldn't because this is only the one guy that is doing that. Rewards didn't get on time, and many people actually got worried, but everything is over now, everything is finished, everything is fixed. So you can claim your rewards now on shibaswap. And if we go to the shibaswap, Bone is doing 1.23, but the leash is falling down like crazy. I mean, we started with the leash on 2.4k dollars, right now is on only $700. I don't know, leash is doing some bad things. Gas fees are extremely big for the leash as well as the bone, and this is one of the biggest problems, and people and this is the reason why the people are selling. I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna be maximum realistic, you know me. This is the reason why people are selling, and until they fix the gas fees for leash and bone, we will not see any good off of it, because right now it's on $700. Bone is on 1.23. It was on around 3 or 4. I think it was around $3.3 1 month ago, and it's falling down drastically. But there you have it, this is what it needed to happen. Also, total volume locked was around 1 billion, I would say 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, but right now is only on $350 million, and that's not good. A lot of people are actually leaving shibaswap, and this is kind of a problem for Shiba Inu tokens. So there you have it. Also, if we go to the Twitter account on Shiba Inu, are you into Shiba and NFTs? Great news, you can now sell your art on OpenSea using SHIB. SHIB utilities and acceptance keeps growing, and that's actually the truth. This is probably one of the good things we have this week, because Shiba Inu team finally started thinking about the ecosystem and the real use cases for the token. It's just one shop, but definitely a big step forward, because we need such a huge amount of e-commerces, maybe even casinos or something like that, using Shiba Inu token, because people don't have a way to spend their SHIB tokens. And if they don't have a way to spend it, why would they buy more? We have a problem with the volume. It's only 300 million. We were on 1.2 billion, and we are doing pretty bad volume wise. And this is why, because of course ecosystem is pretty bad. I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna be realistic. These are the things that SHIB team needs to work on in the next couple of weeks or even the months. So there you have it. Also, before we start with the price prediction and price analysis, as per schedule, bone per block has lowered from 80 to 90. So this is kind of okay, I would say. It was 90 before, now it's 80. This speed will keep decreasing each month until it finally stops when 250 million tokens have been minted. I mean, it's okay, not too big of a news, but actually wanted to tell for some of those takers that are actually following my channel, so you know what is currently going on. And let's start with the price analysis and price prediction. You can see we are actually going sideways. There's not much going on. We are following the Bitcoin, but volume wise we are doing pretty bad. I'm gonna say it, if we go to the market, we are doing pretty bad in volume. Binance used to had like $150 million of a 24-hour volume. Right now is only on 80. Lbank is below the 50. Hotbit is 43. Huobi is doing 18. Binance only 15. Bitmart 15, and so on. So for the token that way, I mean, look at the OKX, only 9 million. So for the token that big and popular, these are the bad results. I'm gonna say it, these are the bad results. We are looking forward for more improved ecosystem, as well as the ecosystem, and the burn rate will definitely cause the volume to go up massively, and we don't have a real use cases. This is the problem. So there you have it. Also, extremely big circulating supply. If you go and check out, look at the chart. I mean, 74, the 5076 and 5074, and we are going for the whole day, we are going sideways. I mean, this is not good. You can see even on for example, I don't know, 7 day or 1 month or 3 month chart, we have just a small oscillations. You can see right here from the beginning of a week, we were just going up and down and fighting with the bears and the bulls, but then we went actually down, we got our correction. And if you ask me, price wise, we will continue to go down up until the moment when Webull and Coinbase listing are going to get announced. When that happens, we will definitely see some of the price pump coming up, but up until then we are kinda in a bad position right now. I'm gonna say it. we are in a bad position. We are waiting for some price catalyst to happen before we start going to the moon again. And with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to watch and also support this video with a like. Let me know your opinion down in the comments. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.